We also got some new lights from Hygger. I got a couple of heaters from Hygger. I really liked those. I love the screen on those and how easy it is to adjust and keep track of those. So I ordered some lights. I know 100% that these lights are not going to fit on my rim tank. I've already read all the things, people upset about them not being able to fit. Some people cut their aquariums, they fit fine if you cut. The rim tank aquariums, that's our problem. We have a rim tank aquarium. I don't think it's a problem. I actually kind of like the little red, black bands on the top and bottom. Kind of gives you a little bit of separation. I also like non-rimmed tanks, or the rimless tanks. They look really cool too. I like lids on my tanks because I already had a fish jump out and try to kill itself while I was cleaning the tank. But what I'm going to try to do is maybe 3D print some brackets that these will fit on. If I can figure it out so that's really nice, I will put an STL link. I'll update the description or a pinned comment at some point when I figure it out. And that way other people with these lights can try and get them to stay on their tank, their rimmed tanks, without having to chop anything up. But let's get one open. I'll let you guys see it, and then I will figure out whatever we need to get this thing going. Don't worry, more samurai videos coming soon. Jimny, not samurai. Alright, so this thing is aluminum, metal. It looks like it has little channels for the brackets, which hopefully are in here. That's for power supply, that's cool. And it looks like it has like a little adjustment. So 12-hour pick your color, 12-hour pick your color. We'll have to figure all that out. Actually, we'll have Angel figure all that out. Alright, look at these monsters. Look at all this stuff. Okay, so there's two brackets, so we just need to work with one. It looks like this slides in. Like so. Maybe. Maybe. Hygger, why you gotta make this so tight, bro? Yeah, definitely goes in this side. It goes in like that. No, definitely goes in there like this. There you go. Just gotta not be weak, I guess. Slides in there like this, so it's adjustable. Way down, way down. All right, let's go look and see how this fits on here. So this tank came with some cheap lights. They work, but they're not very bright. And I really like something like this. Obviously you can tell it doesn't fit. What I'll probably try to do is 3D print a bracket that'll come in here and just recreate this bracket wider so it'll open up, and then I'll be able to screw it right onto my tank. I don't know, I may have to go over that lip too. Not quite sure, but we will figure it out and I will get back with you guys. And stay tuned for tomorrow. See ya. This is prototype number 12. I think we're getting pretty close. I copied a couple of people. I didn't copy. I actually looked at a couple of people's and printed a couple of people's other already pre-built tank designs, and they didn't work, but I kind of mixed them together and formed this idea. This isn't going to be the final one because I think the top piece is just way too big, but we're getting pretty close. So hopefully soon you guys will get to see a finished product. Alright, quick update. Tons of prototypes. I tried some other people's mounts. They weren't going to work properly, so I had to finally end up just getting on Blender and making my own based off of some loosely on some other designs. And funny thing, I printed some bolts, quick print before work. Angel threw them on there for me. I told her which file to print. I got home. They are massively long. That's okay, I can cut them down. It was just pretty funny. But all the bolts are printed. Now we're gonna print some more faces. So we will see how it goes. We're getting close. Prototype 12. It is very close. You can see. Need to extend this leg a little bit longer so the bolts can get to the glass. I might extend both legs longer. I need to shorten this gap just a smidge, and I think we're good. Alright, proof of concept. My bolts are too long down in there, you see them? But it is holding it just fine, and there's supposed to be 2 of those brackets, so if one will hold it up, I have no doubt that 2 will be plenty strong. This is, I don't know, what number are we? Looking over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is number 12 proof, and it came out as proof of concept. So it bolts in down there with a little footer, and then I print some different bolts because those ones are way too long, stupid. But it's holding it weight wise. The other one will just hold it up nice and level and balance the load, and it'll be perfectly fine. So I will get them all printed and put together, and then I will give you guys an update. Alright, so that one we drilled yesterday was not the right one we were working on, so lucky number 13 and 14 here. 14's a little wide. This one's perfect. 13 is perfect. I think we're going to print more 13s, and I'm working on the blocks to be the right size too, so I think we're just about ready to hang one of these lights. Well, we got 13 and 14 mounted. They mounted pretty well. You can see 14's a little wide, so we're gonna go back to 13 and print some new feet. Some problem is going to be that when we're sitting down watching the projector TV, you're gonna be able to see those bulbs. So I think on the next round we are gonna tilt that neck a little bit forward, and then we can pull these lights out a little bit, and then they'll hang over the tank and point down so they won't be in your eyes. So stay tuned, and we'll be there. Just one more print.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.